Okay, going to do a quick review on Birdseye Voilà chicken stir fry. You can find this in your frozen food aisle at your nearest most grocery stores. You get, let's see, okay, it's about 2.5 servings per container. Get 260 calories. Total fats 4 grams, saturated fat 1, cholesterol 30, sodium 12 and 20, total carbohydrates 41, dietary fiber 3, total sugar is 11. Includes 8 grams of added sugars and 13 protein. This is pretty good. I've cooked it several times. I cooked it a couple nights ago. It's pretty good. You get plenty of little sauce that goes with it. Get pretty good amount of chicken and the vegetables and everything. This is okay, here it is. 21 ounce size. It's pretty good. It's something I buy occasionally. It's not big enough to feed everybody here in the house, but I buy it occasionally for myself to heat up something real quick. Or some nights when I'm the only one home and everybody else is gone. Won't be eating dinner. You get pretty good. You get chicken, pasta, carrots, broccoli, red peppers, and sesame, garlic. It's got pretty good of a taste to it, and it's easy to fix. You pop it in a microwave. You can heat it up a little. Put it in a microwave, or you can heat up and skillet it on top of your stove, whichever you prefer. This is Birdseye Voilà chicken stir fry. You can buy it in your store and frozen food aisle.